Today on MontanaDanna, we have band practice, check and see if the carpet matches the drapes, and not to talk about the skeletons in my closet or anything, but I started a crochet business a year ago and haven't crocheted a thing in the last 6 months due to the 100-degree heat. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more lifestyle shenanigans. Good morning, my beautiful and lovely friends. So lately I've been souping up my video quality just a little bit. Found my ring light, it was back in the abyss. I also found my umbrella lights, so just trying to tweak and improve my videos a little bit every day. I did a bunch of lives last week and the overall consensus was that you guys were not enjoying them. Some of you were, some of you weren't. So we'll do one live a week. But right now I'm planning out Influencer the musical stuff. I'm not really gonna talk about that today because I feel like that gets boring as well. I'm just gonna do a random day in the life, but what have I been up to the last couple of days? So one of my favorite things to do is to cook, not really for myself, but for other people. I really enjoy it. So I made a roast and I made baked apples, courtesy of Andy's mom's recipe. And Andy also had 4 really ripe bananas hanging on his banana hook. So I claimed them as mine and made some banana bread. Banana bread, pork roast with apples.
I'm pretty excited. I don't know. I gotta get that recipe from my mom.
What else did we do? We practiced some music. We've been working on a few songs. Our band was called Gung Ho Guana, but we might call it Dandy. I don't know. If you have a preference, let us know down below. Should we call our band Dandy or Gung Ho Iguana? But if you made it to the live with Andy last week, we played Virginia May, so we've been practicing that song.
Light my way, Virginia May. I can't sit still, just pace across this hallway. I'm saving all my sleep for another life. I'm kind of all over the map with how I hold those. Is that bugging?
That's why I'm looking at your
Is that
mouth.
bugging you?
If I just follow you, I think we'll be okay.
Okay.
So you can do whatever you want.
She's so patient with me. I'm thinking I'm coming through.
A little hammer on.
Ooh, that's pretty. Jolie, I ain't about to go straight in the pocket of my blue jeans. Still don't know what love means. Na 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 na. Jolie.
Yeah, okay. So I'm like, how does it end? I don't know.
I don't know. But that's good to practice it without him to realize like how much I need to work on the beginning of the second verse. There's a song in the breeze with some new harmonies I never heard. This is a first. You were the wrong guy at the wrong time. I took a right turn at the wrong light, and it was all by design. I was the wrong girl with the wrong man. You took a red eye to the wrong land, and it was all undone. Turns out 2 wrongs can make a right at the bridge where we had our second kiss under the moon. That one day in June. Oh, 2 wrongs can make, 2 wrongs can make a right. There's gonna be more. This band practice, Dandy's band practice.
Dandy.
You're everything that a big bad wolf could want.
Never heard it before, yet you're playing.
That
It's my party trick.
absolutely blows my mind. Blows my
Your
mind.
party trick.
Yeah, I'm a jukebox.
You're hired.
I'm a jukebox.
We better take off, y'all.
So yeah, we've just been hanging out, spending time together, and I don't always like to shove a camera in people's face when I'm hanging out with them. So really been enjoying being in the moment with my dude. I'm trying something new with videos, so it's taking a couple extra days to film each one of them. I'm gonna post the new style on Monday. I'll get your feedback. I'm really just kind of experimenting right now because I don't know what to do with my channel. I have this really intense feeling of needing to be really creative with my videos, but also the daily videos help me make a living. So I'm gonna try and meld the two because Influencer the Musical episodes take over a month to make. So I'm trying to see if I can fit the skits and songs into more of a vlog atmosphere. I'm gonna try it for a couple of videos. You guys can let me know what you think. If you hate it, just be honest. I love the feedback. So anyway, what else? Oh, Andy and I also went to Lowe's to do a little shopping.
Hi. We're looking at rugs.
We'll tell you why later.
Do we tell you why we were in Lowe's? No, not yet. We'll see. We'll see. Today I'm gonna go back to Chuckwalla Trail, do a little hike. It's really hard for me to stay on my routine when I'm not in my place, and I just need to get back to it. So today I'm really focusing on I went for my coffee walk, you know, getting a little sunshine, a little movement in, feeling good. I've been trying to stay on my morning routine when I'm not at home. We went on a little bike ride the other day.
I think we should get something. We'll get something for you. 4th and 5th? You dork. Somebody's had a lot of coffee today.
But anyway, just gonna take you guys along with me for a random day in the life. Okay, so I was going to go to the Chuckwalla Trail and go for a hike. I'm gonna go rollerblading instead. I have a lesson at 3:30. Skylar just sent me a video, so I'm gonna need to be in my apartment and I'll miss the peak sunlight. But last year, in about March, I was traveling around in the Suburban. I hadn't even gotten my cargo trailer yet, and I tried to film my song called Last Song, and it was a bit of a shite show. Today I'm filming a song called Last Song. I actually wrote it sitting in this very spot in my van. It's a breakup song and kind of like a I'm moving on song. The last song I'll write about you, the last tear I'll cry over you. And I was sitting literally right here in the van. I wonder if I have a video of that. I don't think so. It's just kind of a full circle moment coming back to Chuckwalla Trail to film the music video for the song. So that's what I'm doing today. It's a little chilly, and the place I want to film is about a 30-minute walk. So gonna do a little hiking, so rounding up my ukulele, my tripod, my hiking boots, my cute boots for filming, and gonna go on a nice little morning adventure today. And we are off. Got everything. Hopefully I charged my batteries. The thing I always forget is the little clip that goes in the tripod. So got that. I think I have everything. Ooh, it is a pretty hike to the spot that I want to film at, but if I find one closer, I won't be mad at that. It's a little chilly, but really, like, I have nothing to complain about. Like, my day, all I have to do today is to record a music video and go on a hike, like to the Red Rocks. How sweet is that? I get to wake up every day and create. It's my dream. It's my dream. I mean, I wouldn't complain if I had an RV and a house and a husband and health insurance. But other than that, everything in my life is perfect. Everything. I'm trying to be more aware about the jokes I make because I keep pointing out what's lacking and then I attract more of it. But gratitude isn't funny. It's always the shit that goes down that's funny. I am grateful to be able to wake up and create every day, and just focusing on that, focusing on what I do have. Nature time is it for me. I can be in pretty much the worst situation, and if I can get out into the Red Rocks, listening to the birds, looking at all the flowers and dead brush, I will find flowers. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Ooh, how cool would it look if I stood up there and like filmed from here? Would that be cool? I think that'd be cool. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I've hardly hiked at all, hardly at all, but I think that's gonna be my wide shot. Let's set it up and see. Okay, I pressed record. I think it's so hard to see in that screen. I never know if I'm actually in the frame or what it looks like or what, but I'm gonna change real quick. It'll look cool. Fingers crossed. All right, finished take one. Hopefully it turned out. Hopefully it looks like something. So I'm just gonna grab my tripod and then put it up there and get the close-up shots. I stopped recording because I ran out of footage, so I have to delete some stuff. I need help. I need help. I need help. Please send help. Oh, it's so exhausting sometimes. Delete. I hope I don't need all of these. I think I backed everything up. I hope I backed everything up. Listen to the pretty birds. Listen to the wild forest creatures. We'll get there. We'll push through. It'll be done. I really hope I have this stuff backed up, because if not, it's gone forever. Gonorrhea. We're trying it again. Plus, I don't know if the lighting's good. It's always like when I get back to my van, I check the lighting. It just looks like blackness and darkness. That's all I'm seeing. I can't tell if I'm in focus. I can't tell if the lighting's good. I don't know. I'm doing my best, okay? All right, that's a wrap. Yay! The footage is very dark, very, very dark. I set it on auto, so it should brighten it up a little bit. But maybe I just need to manually set my settings. Lord, send me a hot husband who can do taxes, doesn't mind being on camera, will fly a drone, and will set all the settings and do all the technical stuff, because I'm like so creative brains. Send me a techie husband. If you could be a music producer as well, that would be great. That exists, right? Totally. Hopefully there's a man out there praying for a high maintenance woman who lives in her car. Oh, it's funny because it's true. So long story short, I have to go back and film because this is what it ended up looking like. No bueno, not good. The outfit was not good. The traveler hat was not cute. I need a better outfit. I need better lighting. So gonna go refilm that tomorrow if you want to check in then. But look how pretty those flowers are. Hello, little friends. Right now, before lessons, just getting a little walk in. I've been really, really off of my schedule, like I mentioned earlier, so feels good to get out and move the ball a day.
No aconchego da areia, ele dorme a noite inteira. Não há o que duvidar. Ali é seu lugar. Eu não te impeço de chorar. Pode perguntar onde é meu lugar. Tudo certo.
Okay, so I just finished teaching a lesson and finished an edit for Skylar. And what were we gonna do after? Oh yes, go rollerblading. That, or I'm going to sit in my very comfy recliner and crochet for the rest of the night. I definitely need to get some exercise, but I'm gonna hop back into the abyss and see if I can't find my yarn. I have a bunch of beanie yarn, and I'm going to crochet what I have and sell it this year. Make a little cash money. I want to get my man a really cool birthday / Christmas present. So I'm going to start crocheting until my fingers bleed. Okay. Oh, hello, Abyss. So lovely to see you again. Cut to me 10 days later in my abyss. Woman was found trying to find her yarn in her abyss. It was a sad, sad day. Okay, yarn adventure, ready, and break. It's back here somewhere. Found it. Oh my gosh, please send reinforcements. Okay. Found it. There's another. Here's the third. Ooh, I found that shoe I've been looking for. Grand. And finally, I think I found all my wool ease yarn. What a happy day. So, I usually watch TV for about 2 hours before bed, so I figure I'll crochet about 4 beanies every night, and then I can sell them, and then we kind of have a joyous Christmas. It shall be fun. Now I just need to find my knitting needles. No clue where they're at. But it's finally not in the hundreds outside anymore, so I feel like crocheting. This is the most popular beanie color. If you go into the store and want to buy it, it's the barley. This is wool ease yarn. Barley color is the most popular, as well as my Candy Cane Lane beanies. And if you want to make your own, I left my Etsy link down below. There is a tutorial. So I am going to sell them again this year if you are interested. I know I have organized my sewing stuff. I think it's this box. I organized all of these. I think I put all my knitting needles in here. Oh, yes, they are. Yay, found them. Now all I just need to do is look at my old pattern because I don't remember how to make these. I'm just tired and feeling like watching TV, so I might as well get some work done while I'm watching a show. If you have any shows you've been enjoying, let me know. I think I'm gonna try the Nicole Kidman one that's on Netflix right now. I forget what it's called, but it's new, so gonna check it out. Try not to fall asleep. Okay, I just looked up my tutorial. I think I remember how to do it. I made hundreds of them last season, so I should remember how to do it. That was not really what I had in mind. Oh geez. Oh, here we go. I know what I'm doing. What are you talking about? Oh, this old song. I cannot believe I did this while traveling full-time. Hundreds of beanies while traveling full-time in a cargo trailer. It was insane. Finished. That took 40 minutes. I used to make them in like 25 minutes. We'll get there. Pretty cute though. I like it. I like to put a little palm on the top. This is the small/medium size. I got a request last year to make a medium/large size for people with larger noggins or lots of hair. So there will be a price option this time. And then you can choose whether you want no palm on top, a yarn palm that matches the hat, or a fur palm. Okay, so I got a little distracted. I found the box with all the garments I made last year. Look at this poncho, it's so cute. This one took a while, but I'd like to make this again this year, but in different colors. Isn't it cute? You can wear it off the shoulder. It's a little vintage looking. I love a good fringe. Very cute. I also made a bunch of bralettes. I think this is a pretty color, two-tone pink, and a ton of scarves. These are of the fancy sort, but I love wearing them like this. Very cowgirl. I don't know, kind of cute, or you can wear it as a shawl. But I made a ton of these last year. There's also a pattern for this pretty shawl down in the description if you want to make your own. So it's been kind of fun. I'm slowly going through my abyss and finding things I haven't seen in a while, so good times. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, let me know if you like the band name Dandy or Gung Ho Iguana better. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. We'll see you tomorrow with a new vlog.